Hello friends, so today we're going to talk about the network model of internationalization. It is a very interesting theory which explains the process of internationalization using networks. Now what the network model states, it just states that the internationalization process is through the creation, building and enhancement of relationships at the international level. Now how can relationship help at the international business? Relationships can be very helpful in building strong links, and at the same time, by developing long-term relationships, we can fulfill certain strategic business objectives. Now, talking about relationships, you will gather that relationships can be formal, informal, or it can still be intermediary. Formal relationships means, like we have engaging with formal partners. Informal relationship would be like friends, network of networks and so on. Now, when we are talking of this network model of internationalization, it goes through a three-stage process. There are three distinct stages. One is that of extension. Second stage is penetration, and third is integration. Now, at the extension stage, we are a new company which is entering a new country where we don't have existing knowledge. We don't have strong networks in that country. So when we are entering the market, we need to gain new contacts to develop that knowledge and new partners in that country. That's extension. The second stage is penetration. The word itself says you're already present in that country, but you want to expand, you want to grow your business, and therefore you need to extend on your existing networks that you have. And the third one is integration. Now the word itself says, so it is integration at the international level through collaboration and communication. I hope you will understand that when you're doing international business, it is very important to have a coherent and integrated approach of doing international business by having proper planning and coordination at the international level. Now, when we talk about the internationalization of firms through the network model, we have a diagrammatic illustration here along two dimensions. One is through the degree of market network or internationalization, and the second dimension is a degree of company internationalization that we have. And here different firms can be at different levels. As I just said, if you are a new company, you are not so much internationalized, and you are entering a new market, and you don't have existing networks, then you are an early starter. If you are highly internationalized, but you don't have network in the existing market that we are talking, then you are a lonely international. And it may also happen that in the market that you want to operate, you already have the network, but you are not so internationalized. So it means there are existing competitors, suppliers and so on, which have the knowledge, but you don't have access to this knowledge. So then you are a late starter. And then when you're highly internationalized and you have a high degree of networking, then you are a true international amongst others. So this is the whole concept of the networking theory. Now this theory is quite interesting in the sense that it demarcates from the Uppsala model, which says that internationalization is a sequential process. Here we can see we can develop relationships at the same time, simultaneously, in different markets, and we have different layers of networking that we can do. We can have a firm-to-firm networking. We have networking between firm and non-firm market, our actors, and this can help grow the business at the international level. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Take care.